Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. President of Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, Diane Edwards, is urging the private sector to increase their interactions with the agency. She says the partnership is more important now that the business community is reeling from the effects of the novel coronavirus.
I don't think that the private sector uses JAMPRO enough. I think the private sector needs to really use us more to find new export markets, to find import partners, to find investment partners, e.g. to develop assets of local companies, because we're really going out into the market now to find new assets that can be potentialized for investment.
Now, Ms. Edwards says the agency is working overtime to find new opportunities for local players to make up for the fallout caused by COVID-19 disruptions.
Is expected to drop by 40% over the next financial year. So we know that we have to pivot, and we actually have pivoted to focus on deepening the services to local businesses, developing a diaspora high net worth strategy, leveraging our diplomatic service to promote investment, developing our focus sectors, many of those that were outlined today, and improving the business environment. We have a whole program to improve the business environment.
A telecommuting policy is being drafted by the Ministry of Labour to provide a stronger legal framework for work-from-home arrangements. Now, the Employment Flexible Work Arrangements Miscellaneous Provisions Act is being utilized by many organizations to maintain productivity amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. However, this legislation does not provide specifically for work-from-home arrangements. Chief Technical Director of the Jamaica Productivity Center, Tamar Nelson, says the new telecommuting policy will be utilized in addition to the existing legal framework. To currency trading now, at the end of trading, the US dollar held firm at $151.17. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.94. The pound is going for $198.76. while the euro closed at $180.16. The JSE index gained 1,787 points today, while the junior market index lost 32 points. Among the winners were Darramont Trading, Preference Shares, CAC 2000, Main Event Entertainment Company, Mayberry Investments, and Key Insurance. Now on the losing side were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Trans-Jamaican Highway US and Jamaican Dollar Shares, Cargo Handlers, and Honey Bun. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.